Hi everyone, it's me again, your crypto fairy. My name is Faye and today I will tell you how I managed to make $4,720 in 3 trades, what I've done to get this result, and what was my strategy this time. I'm sure that each of you will be able to do the same by the end of this video. Let's go! My fairy-like, strategy is one of the key parts of crypto trading. And now we will go over my own one, which I have owned over the past year through numerous trades. It allows me to earn truly significant profits every time. So let's delve into my first trade. Let's examine the Bitcoin chart. We're looking at the daily time frame. There is a strong upward movement and a significant liquidity pool at the top that will be a medium-term price target for Bitcoin. As you know, a liquidity pool is a place where a large number of orders are accumulated. The price always strives to activate them and reach this pool of liquidity. There is an imbalance above. An imbalance is a market inefficiency that draws the price toward it. It means that the price should completely or partially cover this zone. Let's switch to the 2-hour time frame. Look, there is a flat, narrow price range. The price moves within it for a certain period of time. There are also non-withdrawn liquidity pool on top. There was also a liquidity collection from the lower border of the flat, which resulted in the activation of buyers' stop-loss orders. Usually after this, there is a movement towards the opposite border of the flat. This movement was the result of a collected liquidity, consisting of buyers' stop orders. So it's reasonable to expect an update of this high. I'm switching to a 5-minute time frame. During the liquidity collection, we can see that the price touched an order block in the 15-minute time frame and caused a reaction. It supports my theory of the further growth of Bitcoin. We need to wait for my theory to be confirmed before we enter, looking for an entry point. In this case, there is the manipulation of lows followed by the covering of the imbalance and a local impulsive structure break. Here we have a 3-minute time frame. I've pinpointed for myself this order block as a perfect entry point for the purchase. We observe aggressive growth after the price touched this order block. Then I went too long. I set stop loss next to the closest low. It's always better to use it to avoid losses. Take profit is at this high as I expect liquidity to accumulate above. I completed the Bitcoin trade with a very good risk-to-profit ratio of 1 to 4.6. My initial deposit was $7,000 and I managed a return of 20.3% and earned a net profit of $1,460 after my first trade. That's a decent result, so let's move on to the next trade. My second trade was with the Matic crypto asset. Let's take a look at this coin chart. We see a local growth that reached the 4-hour imbalance. Analyzing the structure of this movement, we see a big player collecting liquidity from the previous highs. It indicates either a selling position purchased previously or accumulating a new short one. We also see that the price is squeezed into a tight range, generating some kind of compression. Usually after this, there is an impulse move. The reason for this is a large number of buyers' stop orders that they placed for these lows. Their stop losses are sales, so when they are activated, we observe an impulsive downward move. That is why after the liquidity is accumulated and the price reacted following the imbalance test, I've decided to open a short position on the correction. I set my stop loss at the nearest high, and the target of this trade was the nearest low. As you can see, I entered the trade after a minor correction, and the price moved in the right direction right away. I didn't set up a high profit target for this trade. You see, we're in an uptrend, and there is still a market inefficiency and imbalance on top. That can be covered by the price soon. I've got a 19% profit. It's $1,361, and my initial balance of $7,000 increased by almost 50% after 2 trades. The profit after 2 trades together was $2,821. Great! It is the second successful trade in a row. I used a DOT coin for my third trade. Let's have a look at the chart. We can see a downward movement of the coin in the 4-hour time frame. There is an unresolved imbalance in the bottom that draws the price toward it. These lows, or so-called liquidity poles, draw the price as well. It happens because of a large number of buyers' stop-loss orders right behind them. Major players often use stop-losses to gain their positions. They have big money. Liquidity pools allow them to execute these orders and secure their positions. What was in the hour time frame? We can see a situation similar to the one on the MATIC chart. There is also a local growth, and if we switch to a 15-minute time frame, we will see alternate liquidity collection from these highs with a huge liquidity pool with equal lows below. There is a huge number of buyer stop losses behind them. They will trigger an impulsive downward move in the future. We can also see a completely covered imbalance. It made me set a bigger target for this trade. This is the imbalance at the bottom. Let's switch to a 5-minute time frame. I see these impulse moves as a manipulation strategy to collect liquidity of sellers' stop losses. Its purpose is to mark down the asset. I entered the trade in the 1-minute time frame. The matter is that it's really risky to trade after such sudden moves, so it's necessary to select the precise entry point. I initiated a short position on a 1-minute time frame right after the price was suddenly reversed. I also set my stop-loss order above the nearest high. My target is a bullish imbalance at the bottom. As you can see, the upward movement was fake. After I opened the trade, the price made a sharp move down and reached my target in an hour and a half. The risk-to-profit ratio for this trade was 11, which is very rare. Considering the market conditions though, it felt okay to set such aggressive targets. Thanks to this trade, I increased my deposit by 23% and the profit was $1,590. I made a total profit of $4,411 after 3 trades. Trading is just amazing, you know? If you understand your strategy, you can earn $4,411 in just a day. I'm just so freaking excited about it. Now I want to switch to my account on the Bybit exchange. I only trade on Bybit because I consider it the best exchange, and I use my trading strategy only here. If you haven't started trading on Bybit yet, which just surprises me, I've left a registration link in the description along with some bonuses from me. Alright, let's head over to the trades section and check out these last 3 trades. Not many bloggers show this kind of stuff, but you can see all of the trades I've made on the exchange. Here you can see my profit amounts as a result of series of trades. My fair like, the key to making profits in trading is to follow a precise strategy. Anyone can give my strategy a try. By the way, my Telegram channel subscribers trade using this strategy all the time, and I shared these 3 trades there. Everyone who followed along with me made a great profit too. The crypto market is looking really good right now, with Bitcoin being quite volatile. I feel like I have a good handle on things and there are potential trades to be made, which means good profits for us. So, don't forget to check out the video description and subscribe to my Telegram channel where I post all my trades, from which you can follow and earn some good profit. I'm doing my best to analyze the cryptocurrency market and share the best trades in my Telegram channel. The aim of my channel is to ensure that every member makes a profit in each trade and grows their investment. The feedback I get shows that my subscribers are actually making profits from their trades, and that's because I spend several hours every day analyzing charts. It's time to wrap up the video, and I thank you for staying until the end and watching it. I believe that if you're interested in trading, you're destined to earn money. The most important thing is not to wait for the right moment, but to take action. We're currently in a unique time where everyone in the trading world is on equal footing, and anyone can succeed. Let yourself do it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel to catch all the latest trades. And smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Check out the links in the description below to start making profits on crypto trading. See you next time. I hope you will have made a good profit by that time.